Welcome to this video on ungrouping, a fundamental concept in physical design. Ungrouping is a technique in logic synthesis that improves circuit area and timing. It involves removing hierarchical boundaries between design modules or blocks. Imagine modules A, B, and C as separate entities. These hierarchical boundaries can act as optimization barriers, limiting the tool's ability to share logic, reduce logic levels, and improve the design overall. Ungrouping, such as combining B and C into B_C, offers benefits like reduced area and improved timing performance. In Genus, you can enable or disable ungrouping for a module using the set_db commands shown here. However, ungrouping has disadvantages, including difficulty in design tracing during verification, harder implementation of functional ECOs, increased complexity, and longer runtime. Thank you for watching this video on ungrouping and boundary optimization.